Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today I'll be doing something a bit more different from my usual build video. Today I'll be actually making a 3D model of a engine and hopefully able to make my own kit. And as you can see, I've got a, might not be able to recognise it all that well, but it is a SECR P Class. Hopefully this will be able to go onto a Terrier Chassis because they're roughly the same size, give or take. They may not be accurate, entirely accurate, but considering we don't have it in end gauge at the moment, might as well see if I can make a simple body to fit on top. So yeah, I'll have a go at that. It may not be the most detailed 3D print, but I'm aiming more at being more affordable than highly detailed, because you can always add your own detail later on. So I'll see if I can do that. Anyway, hopefully next video I'll be building this thing, actually showing you how to add more detail and stuff like that. But yeah, let's see what I can do. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you when I've got the model done and also printed off a prototype of it so you can see how big it is. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Well, here we are with the P Class body printed off. It is a bit scuffed up, and I did split it a few times, but this is only a prototype print. And yeah, it's turned out rather nice. I'm quite pleased with it. And I have got one of my Terrier Chassis here from my black one, and it's nearly a good fit. Nearly there. So I'm quite pleased with that. I do need to make a few adjustments. Mainly I need to make a little hole here for the... Oops, it's not too sure if you can see that. I'll bring it a bit closer and make sure it's in focus. But yeah, I need to make a little hole underneath the boiler just to accommodate the gear, which the Terrier also does, as you can see just there. So I need to do that as well. I won't be doing the smoke box door because you'll be able to just recommend. Not too sure if you can get one from End Brass. You might be able to. I'll have a look. But yeah, try and get a smoke box door. Try and fit a bit of weight in there. You won't have much room in there, but that's the main thing. Just cut out that. Basically tidy up here and there, and also make these walls a little bit thinner. I made them 1 mil thick just so that I knew that I could print them, but they're a bit too thick for so if you could do a bit of filing, you might be able to get that on. But that's pretty much it for the body. The only thing which you need to do for the chassis itself is basically cut the end off and move it in, and then figure out how to do the coupling at the end as well. So that's the main thing as well. So but yeah, I was hoping I'd be able to print these myself, but no, it's a bit too fiddly for me. So yeah, it will be have to go on Shapeways. So once I've done all the edits, I'll print off well, buy a print from Shapeways and see about if I can build it, and if I can build it, you lot be able to build it, because I'm actually not all that good. And yeah, I need to clean up in there, but I'm quite happy with this. I'll probably still be able to use this for stick on a little flatbed and something like that, but I'm quite happy with this. I'm very happy with this, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to make my own bodies for everybody to use on various things. So yeah, stay tuned, and I said I'll be printing this off and building it, and that'll be hopefully the next episode after this one. So I'll see you again soon, hopefully, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you again next time, and if you like it, feel free to subscribe, comment, and like, and all the other things YouTube lets you do. And yeah, I better go. Anyway, see you again next time. Bye bye now.